The concept of the perfect female physique is a captivating yet subjective notion. Images in magazines and social media often portray unrealistic ideals, leading to confusion and frustration. But what if we redefine perfect and focus on building a strong, healthy, and confident body that reflects your unique goals and aspirations? This guide, How to Build the Perfect Female Physique, empowers you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and sculpt a physique that makes you feel your absolute best. Watch this video, How to Build the Perfect Female Physique, till the end, so you will know and be able to do it the correct way. Before diving into specific strategies, let's explore the different body types women typically fall into. Ectomorphs tend to be lean and have difficulty gaining muscle mass. They may have a fast metabolism and struggle with weight gain. Mesomorphs have a naturally athletic build and gain muscle more readily. They possess a good balance between muscle and fat. Endomorphs typically have a rounder body shape with a higher body fat percentage. They may find it easier to gain weight but require more effort to build muscle definition. Understanding your body type can help you set realistic goals. However, remember, these categories are not rigid classifications. Many women possess characteristics of multiple types. Instead of chasing an idealized image, focus on what you want to achieve. Consider these questions. Strength goals. Do you prioritize building lean muscle and functional strength, or is sculpted definition your main focus? Body fat percentage. How lean do you desire to be? Balance and proportion. Are there specific areas you want to emphasize, like toned arms or a strong core? Overall health and well-being. How can your fitness journey contribute to your general health and mental well-being? Nutrition is the cornerstone of any successful physique transformation. What you eat directly impacts your ability to build muscle, recover from workouts, and burn fat. Here are some key dietary principles to optimize your results. Prioritize whole foods. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats. These provide essential nutrients for your body to function optimally. Protein is key. Protein is crucial for muscle growth and repair. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products are excellent protein sources. Carbs for energy. Don't fear carbohydrates. Complex carbs like whole grains provide sustained energy for your workouts and daily activities. Healthy fats are important. Healthy fats like those found in nuts, seeds, avocado, and fatty fish are necessary for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and satiety. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for bodily functions and recovery. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Training for strength and definition is crucial for building muscle and sculpting your physique. Here are some key aspects to consider. Compound exercises are essential. Prioritize exercises that engage multiple muscle groups at once, like squats, lunges, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. Progressive overload is another important concept. To continuously challenge your muscles and stimulate growth, gradually increase the weight, sets, or reps over time. It's also vital to balance strength training with cardio exercises like running, swimming, or HIIT for overall fitness and cardiovascular health. And remember, form matters. Focus on proper form to maximize results and minimize the risk of injury. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a certified personal trainer. Building a strong and healthy physique goes beyond aesthetics. Here's why functional fitness matters. It improves daily activities. Functional fitness translates to strength, power, endurance, flexibility, and balance, allowing you to perform everyday activities with greater ease and confidence. It also reduces injury risk. Stronger muscles and improved balance can help prevent injuries during daily activities or workouts. Furthermore, functional fitness boosts overall well-being. It contributes to improved cardiovascular health, bone density, and overall well-being. Consider incorporating bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks into your routine, as they require minimal equipment and can be done anywhere. Building a strong and healthy body is empowering, but true confidence goes beyond the physical. Here are some ways to cultivate lasting confidence. Focus on progress, not perfection. Don't compare yourself to unrealistic ideals. Celebrate your personal achievements and progress, both physical and mental. Embrace your uniqueness. Every woman's body is built differently. Appreciate your unique physique and focus on building your strengths. Develop self-love. Practice self-compassion and acceptance. Nourish your body with healthy food, prioritize your well-being, and celebrate your inner strength. Find activities you enjoy. Make exercise and healthy eating enjoyable experiences. Experiment with different workout styles and find activities that spark joy. Focus on strength and well-being. Shift your mindset from achieving a certain appearance to building a strong, capable, and healthy body. Embrace the journey. Your path to a strong and confident you involves building the perfect female physique, a personal journey of self-discovery and growth. By understanding your body type, defining your goals, and implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to achieving a sculpted physique that empowers you to feel strong, confident, and vibrant. Remember, the most important aspect is not chasing an unrealistic ideal, but embracing the journey of self-improvement and building a foundation for a healthy and fulfilling life. Celebrate your strengths, prioritize your well-being, and find the joy in movement and a healthy lifestyle. This journey is not just about the physical transformation, it's about embracing your inner strength and building a life filled with confidence and self-love.